The Palm Springs area tram was first conceived in the early 1930s.
Yeah, you can see the whole. Okay, we just parked our car and walking to buy a ticket for a tram. We actually got a ticket from Groupon, but it didn't have an option for time. So let's see how long we have to wait to get in there. Oh man, but the view is awesome. Wow.
Oh, I see someone riding a tram.
Yeah, that's the tram we're riding. But this road is so steep.
Come on, man!
Walk backwards.
Oh, a long line. So we're at the patio by the entrance. Oh, I see that one tram coming down with a nice view. We had tickets through Groupon, and when I went there to redeem it, it says Groupon right here. And when I have to redeem it, I get an error message. So I'm like, oh my god, do I need to buy tickets again? But I was able to when I pulled up my email confirmation, the lady who works here was able to pull up my tickets. So either you print, the pro tip is that either you can print the tickets ahead of time, just to be safe, because even if you connect to the Wi-Fi, for me it wasn't able to pull up the tickets. So the top of the mountain where the tram takes us, supposedly it's gonna be 30 degrees colder. So I brought extra jacket, extra layer of pants. That's where we'll be getting on the tram from. And then if you want, you can go for a little hike here too. So we got here at 11 o'clock, but we got ticket for 12:15. Oh, that's not bad. I heard on the reviews that you might have to wait over 2 hours, but we only had to wait an hour and 15 minutes. Can't complain.
1 hour later.
Our tram just arrived.
Please, all the way around, fill up all the available space. Thank you. How's everyone doing today? All right. Welcome aboard the world's largest rotating tram car. My name is Carl. I will be your tram car operator. Just a few announcements as we get underway. Please, no eating or drinking inside the tram car. You have a large bag or backpack. Feel free to place it next to you on the floor. During our ascent, we're going to cross over 5 towers. Each time we cross over a tower, our tram car is going to swing. So please hold on to something when we go over those towers. And the floor you're standing on will begin to rotate counterclockwise, 360 degrees. Only the floor rotates. The bars on the windows do not rotate with the floor, so you can shuffle your hands on those window bars. Or use the handrail connection to the floor for balance as we go over those 5 towers. Rotation starts in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Our trip's going to take about 10 minutes. We're going to travel 2.5 miles, rise almost 6,000 feet by the time we reach the mountain station. It is currently 27 degrees on the mountain.
Yes, side.
28, 27.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy your trip.
Welcome aboard the Palm Springs area tram. Few rotating
spins
tram
around.
cars providing you
And
Outside doesn't spin, only the inside spins.
For ventilation, please. Thank you.
We'll travel over 2.5 miles.
First swing of the day, Tower 1.
At the top, the temperature averages 7 miles.
God, that's snow.
Various signs, cables, mobile and communication.
Oh, cold air.
1,500 length. Therefore, way tied together
Oh, we're so high. I gotta go outside.
Right away, you can see steam coming out of your mouth. Very different from the ground where we started, huh? Whoa. Oh, it's snowing. Nice. It's snowing, Jet? Oh, no, no. I don't know if you can see it because of fog, but it's snowing. Lightly, yeah. Very nice. Oh, look at this big tree. And that's where we came out from. Oh, so this is what they were talking about. So this is the end of paved trail, and from here, I guess takes us to the ranger station. Oh, hey, you can see the sky now. You can see the sky.
일로 와, 여보.
Thank you. Look how deep these steps are. Yeah. That's crazy. Right when the trail ends, you can see the sky. No more fog. The fog stops right there. Yeah.
You can do it!
Oh, fog is coming this way. So we made it to the ranger station.
You can't go any places. Jay, come here. Jay, you need this.
Jet, is that icicle?
Yeah. Jay, without this.
Jet, show me the icicle.
Oh, sure. 이 스노우는 이렇게
Whoa.
리프렉션이
Oh. Oh. Oh.
almost half of
Nature's refrigerator. Nice little snowman. Nice fort, Jet.
내일 만나 우리.
Hey Jet, how was the tram? Was it worth it? What's the time?
Yeah.
Yeah?